Good morning children. Now we are going to start 4th class mathematics. Already yesterday we have started metric measures and we completed 4.1 2 bits. A comma B bits, that is converting to grams, another one is converting to milligrams. Now we are going for the C bit, that is converting to liters. Okay. First question, they given 42 kiloliters and 5 liters. KL is nothing but kiloliters and L means liters. First you have to write down the formula. What is the formula in between kiloliters and liters? Okay. 1 KL kiloliter equal to 1000 liters. Okay. You have to use this formula. 42 kiloliters 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. First convert the 42 kiloliters into liters. 42 kiloliters converting into liters means multiply with the 1000 liters. It is capital L. L is nothing but liters. Standard unit for capacity is liters. And multiply 42 into 1. Directly I am doing multiplication. 42 ones are 42. How many zeros remaining? 1, 2, 3. Liters. Compulsory mention the units. 42,000 liters. Okay. Now write down the total quotient. Therefore, 42 kiloliters and 5 liters. Now, 42 kiloliters place write down liters answer. 42,000 liters. And here also we are having the same units, that is 5 liters. When you are having the same units, you have to add directly. 42,000 liters plus 5 liters. Where we are adding 5? 42,000 you have to add 5. Is it right? It is a wrong. Don't add 5 here. You have to add 5 in the ones place only. It is a wrong. Means it becoming as good 10,000 place. But they did not given 50,000 liters. They given only 5 liters means single number is there means you have to add in the ones place only. 0 plus 5, 5. Remaining any numbers not there means directly write on the same numbers. That is 42,005 liters. L means liters. It is our answer. Okay. When you are having the single digit, you have to add in the ones place only. It is compulsory. Next now, go for the second question. In this bit only. What is the second question now? 9 kiloliters and 49 liters. 9 kiloliters, 49 liters. Before going to start the problem, you have to convert liters, kiloliters into liters. So write down the formula. Which formula we are using? 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liters. Now first convert 9 kiloliters into liters. Means multiply 9 with 1000. 9 into 1. These two numbers I am multiplying. Otherwise multiply with ones place 2. 9 into 0, 0. 9 into 0, 0. 9 into 0, 0. 9 ones are 9. 9,000 liters. Okay. Next one. Write down the total quotient. 9 kiloliters, 49 liters. Kiloliters place write down liters answer. 1, 2, 3 liters. Here also we are having the same units, liters. Liters, same means you have to add directly. 49 liters. Now add here, where you have to add 9,049. Ones place, tens place, 2 digit number means. Don't write here. Writing means you are getting the wrong answer. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 4, 4, 0, 9. What is the answer? 9,049 liters. It is our answer. Okay. Now, same like this you have 3 and 4. But they given here point. Point is nothing but just how to convert into kiloliters and liters. Here I am writing the question. Answer you only write down 9.214 kiloliters. First how to convert 9. Just yesterday only I told the point before is there is how to take as a kiloliters. Point after is there is how to take as a liters. 240 liters. Now this question you have to convert like this and do the answer. Okay? It is not the answer. This point I converted into like this for your understanding question wise. You have to write down the same like this only this answer. Over after fourth question also they given like this only. 10.029 kiloliters. Here also change the question first. 10. Point before is there means convert as a kiloliters. Point after is there means liters. Now this question you have to do again like this. You are getting the answer. Okay. 0 taking and not taking means also nothing will happen. Okay. Now you have to go for the division. Convert into meters. What is your doubt? Convert into meters. First one 5 kilometers 37 meters. Okay. See first of all here kilometers meters is there. You have to take formula between meters and kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. Write down that formula first. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now first convert 5 kilometers into meters. So multiply 5 with the 1000 meters. 5 ones are 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros remaining. So 5 kilometers means 5000 meters. Now write down the total question. Therefore 5 kilometers 37 meters. 5 kilometers place write down the meters answer. 5000 meters plus 37 meters. Why I am doing addition means meters same units are there. So you have to do the addition that problem again. 5000 plus 37 you have to start with one space. Okay? 0 plus 7 0, 0 plus 3 3, 0 5. 3 as it is. So what is the answer? 5037 meters. Compulsory have to write down the units. And second and third problem also same like this only so you have to do. Fourth one I will explain. Fourth problem 4.012 kilometers. Here what you have to do first? Change the problem for your understanding purpose like this. Point before is there means you have to take the kilometers. 4 kilometers. Point after is there means meters. Okay. Now this 4 kilometers and meters convert into meters. Take the formula between kilometers and meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now convert 4 kilometers into meters. So multiply 4 with 1000. 4 into 1000 4000 meters. Now multiply. Write on the total given 0 keep means 0 only coming na answer. So like this you have to complete C bit and D bit in your classwork. Take the screenshot or pause the video and write down. Still E bit is there. I will explain the E bit means this exercise will be over. Write down this. Yes, I think everyone's screenshot over. Otherwise, you have to pause the video and write down. I am going to rub the board and again we will write the E bit. E bit also you have to write in your classwork only. Turn the next page. The heading is fill in the blanks. Write down. What is the first question? The first question is 1.1 liter. 1.1 liter equal to dash milliliters. They give it this one. Okay. First of all, here also you have to write down the formula in between liters and milliliter. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. Before going to write this, you have to convert this as a like this your component way. Okay. Point before is there means you have to write down as 1 liters. Point after is there means 1 milliliters. Okay. Now for your understanding it will be easy. Now you have to convert into milliliters and write down the answer in the given blank. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now you have to convert 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters and again 1 milliliter. Okay. First write down the 1 liter's place this one. 1000 and place 1 milliliter. 1000 milliliters and 1. Okay, 1 means it becoming into 100 milliliters. Place 100 milliliters. Point 1 is there means it is 100 milliliters. 1 liter and 100 milliliters. 1 liter place I am writing this one, and 100 milliliters place you have to write down 100. Add these two numbers. 1000 plus 100 will be coming as a 1100 milliliters. Okay. Like this you have to convert the given question into your convenient way. Then you have to write the answer. Next, 4.5 grams. Second one, 4.5 grams. Here, point before is there means it is 4 kgs, and 5 grams means it is equal to half gram. Half gram means 500. Okay. Now you have to convert these kilograms into grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Now convert 4 kgs. 4 kgs equal to 4 into 1000. You are getting 4000 grams. Now add these 4000 grams and 500 grams. What you are getting? 4500 grams. 4 kg, 500 grams. 4 kg plus write down the grams value. 4000 grams plus 500 grams, that is equal to 4500 grams. It is your answer. Same like this you have 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4.5 is the third question. Second one, 3.02 centimeters equal to dash millimeters, and fourth one, 2 kilometers 5 meters equal to dash meters. Fifth one, 12 meters 8 centimeters equal to dash centimeters. Sixth one, 5 liters 40 milliliters equal to dash milliliters. Okay. These 4 problems also have to convert like this and write down the answer. Here you are getting 30.2, and here you are getting 2005, 1208, 5040. Okay. Here, see, second one I am explaining. See here, 3.02 centimeters. How you have to convert means, first of all, write down here. Point before is there means it is known as 3 meters, and place 0.02 centimeters, and now you have to convert 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Okay, 100 centimeters. Convert 3 meters into centimeters. 3 into 100, you are getting 300 centimeters. Okay. Now here this 0.2 centimeters convert into meters. Converting means here we are getting 100. Now you have to do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2 fives are 10. Here you are getting 1 by 50. 1 by 50 means it becoming as 0.2. See, doing division means 1. 50 table 1 not coming, so keep 0. Point again 0. 2s are 100. See this one for you. In before bigger classes you are understanding. It is equal to 0.2. 0.02. Why I am dividing into 100 means it is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay. So you are getting 0.2 centimeters. Converting means. Now you have to add these two numbers. Therefore, 3 meters. 3 meters and 0.02 centimeters. 3 meters please write down 300 centimeters plus 0.02 centimeters. Now you are adding means you are getting 300 point. Converting into millimeters means divide with 10. 1 centimeter is equal to millimeters. They are asking me to convert into millimeters now. Here you have to use the millimeters formula. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. See, 3 centimeters point means plus 0 to centimeters. Multiplying centimeters into meters means how to multiply with 10. 3 into 10 plus 0 to centimeters. 3 into 10, 30 plus 2. It becoming as 30.2 millimeters. Converting to millimeters means millimeters will come here. Okay. This 4th, 5th, 6th are the same like that is there. Just you have to convert 2 kilometers, 5 meters. Here you have to use the formula. Which formula you have to use? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. They ask to convert into meters now. So you have to write down kilometers and meters. First convert 2 kilometers into meters. 2 kilometers equal to 2 into 1000 meters. 2 into 1000, 2000 meters, and given question write down 2 kilometers, 5 meters. 2 kilometers means 2000 meters plus 5 meters. Adding means you are getting 2005 meters. This answer right there on the board. Okay. 5th one, 6th one, same like this only is there. Same like 4th answer only. Okay. First you have to convert meters into centimeters and add these two numbers. Here also 5 liters convert into milliliters. First convert into liters, after milliliters try do the addition. Okay. Today your homework is complete in class 1 exercise 4.1 C, D, E bits. Textbook page number 101 and 102. This is your homework. Complete your homework. Okay. Again we will meet in the next class. Take the screenshot or pause the video and have to write down